here are some of the fundamental differences impacting leadership. Linearity and stability, the good old org chart, the good old days when in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, you could kind of predict what was coming down the pike within, people used to do 7-year strategic plans, 5-year strategic plans. I don't do any of those. I do yearly strategic plans and 3-year strategic plans, because that's about the most you can even anticipate what's going to come down the pike. Command and control is being replaced by leaders who focus on communication, collaboration, and facilitation. So by that, I mean, I'm transparent. I'm telling people what we're doing. I'm telling people what's working, what's not working. I encourage them to communicate back with me as well. I want a conversation. I don't want to be dictating. I need a conversation with everybody in the organization. Obviously, there are very important boundaries to have. There's certain information you don't share. But if you look at it, there's probably more that you can share than you might think about. The other thing is collaboration. There's a collective genius in every organization. Every time you walk into your company, you're walking into a living, breathing, talking, learning library. And the people in that organization know more about your organization than you ever will. And if you create the right conditions, they'll share it with you. They not only know where all the problems are, but they either know why they're there and have some ideas on how they can improve upon them, or you brainstorm around it and you figure out the best solution you can and you move forward. And facilitation is more about the leader not being at the top and funneling down. It's about like being in the center of a knowledge network. Think of your whole organization as a very vibrant knowledge network, and you lead networks from the inside. I designed and built computer networks for 20 years. I'll talk a little bit more about that later. But the network manager does not control everything that happens in the network. What the network manager does is monitors, responds to issues, does preventative maintenance, et cetera. So the leader is very much a collaborative entity, not a dictatorial entity in this particular model. So the other thing is position, power, and ego-based management is being replaced by leading with AIR. And AIR is an acronym I came up with because as I was trying to make my transformation through ego-based top-down command and control leadership over into this new way, I thought, what are a couple of the key components that if I remember that, I'll probably do a better job of being more conscious as a leader. And that was be authentic, be true to who I am, have integrity, show who I am to other people, and have respect. And respect is 3 parts: respect for myself, respect for the individual that I'm working with, and respect for whomever is paying us or whatever is the cause that we're working for.